Okay, question number 5. Three forces act on an object, 6 Newton due east, 8 Newton due to north, and a third force F makes the object remains in equilibrium. What is the magnitude and direction of the force F? Okay, so now what we do is 6 Newton due to east. Let us draw the actual diagram. Only then it will be correct for us. So 6 Newton due to east, 6 Newton due to east, 6 Newton is acting like this, 8 Newton due to north, 8 Newton is due to north over here. Okay, and there is one more force. Can this force act like this? It can't act, because if this force is acting, then maybe this and this will equalize. Okay, but while this one will not equalize, right? So therefore this is not possible. Can it act like this? If it acts like this, the resultant of these two is acting like this, so definitely it cannot act. So how should it act? That's the first question you need to ask. See, if resultant of these two is acting like this, then we should have one more force which is acting like this, so that this point, the object which is kept over here, okay, this should be in equilibrium. So therefore it should be like this. Now what is the resultant of this force? See, when I say east and north, they are perpendicular to each other. 6 and 8 are perpendicular, which means I can use Pythagoras theorem. When I use Pythagoras theorem, this will be your 8, 6 plus 8 becomes 10, right? 6 square plus 8 square becomes 10 square. So this becomes 10 over here. If this is 10, this should also be 10. Now what is this direction? This direction, see, there are 10 newtons over here. So this 14 Newton goes wrong over here. Now what is this direction? If this is east and this is north, this should be northeast. Okay, if this is east, this should be west, and what is this? This is be south. What should this direction be? Between these two, it should be southwest. So therefore it should be 10 Newton southwest. So answer is A over here.